How do you ensure pears reach the customer just as fresh as when they were picked? Modern tray sealing technology makes it possible. Each tray locks in natural freshness, gently protects every fruit, and maintains consistent quality throughout the journey. With precise sealing, shelf life is extended and transportation becomes safer and more reliable. From the moment pears enter the line to the instant they arrive in stores, every step is designed to preserve flavor, texture, and appearance. Investing in this technology means less waste, higher efficiency, and satisfied customers every time. It also streamlines your production process, saving time and reducing costs. Discover how tray sealing is shaping the future of fruit packaging, delivering freshness and quality in every package. Follow us to see more innovative packaging solutions and stay ahead in fresh produce technology.